Na 'n week van beledigings en kritiek in die parlement, het president Jacob Zuma gekies om nie terug te beklei nie. Hy het sy opponente met goedheid probeer oorrompel. Tydens Zuma se antwoord op sy staatsrede debat, het hy bykans elke oppositiepartyleier bedank, geloof of gekomplimenteer. Hy het selfs vir Julius Malema vir sy bydrae tot die debat bedank.
Commend Honorable Malema for really dealing with the state of the nation address, because that's what is wanted. Our debate, our views in this democracy to be expressed here properly and with respect.
Zuma het gesê die parlement moet nie in chaos verval nie en parlementslede moet met waardigheid optree.
What our views are about one another or political parties that we represent, we need to preserve the dignity of parliament.
Hy het ook gereageer op die Jan van Riebeeck debat.
How can you say Afrikaners they must go? No, I just said the problem began when Jan van Riebeeck came here. That is not saying we don't want the Afrikaners. We have long recognized the fact that we live in this country, all of us. It is in the Freedom Charter. No ANC person can say what people should go here. There were some political organizations at some point who were saying the white man must go into sea. We never bought that because we know people move in this world. You moved out of certain problems and landed here. And we accepted you. We are all South African citizens. We are a rainbow nation. And nobody will chase you away. We will fight against those who will say so. Because you belong here. So there must be no fear.
Marina Lamprecht vir Netwerk 24 Kaapstad.